see that you are reading a book, Boxy. That's great.
I'm trying to. I don't know why Mama always reads for us. My friend and I barely knows how to read.
It's a picture book, Boxy. You don't need to have reading ability to enjoy it. And Amma reads it to both of you because it is an awesome tool to make parent-child interactions great fun.
Mama could have taken us to a park to have fun.
Oh, it's not just fun, Boxy. It's learning too. Okay, so tell me, which book are you reading now?
Colors.
Great choice. So what happens when you read a book about colors? You connect your real life experiences to the pictures and words in the book. You also learn a lot of new things about colors.
Wow, so much for a book. Also, I've got myself in an imaginary world through books.
Yes, Boxy, books are a cup of imaginations. It helps you fantasize about the unknown. And once you have so much fun with the book, it is so easy to learn to read.
I think I should explore this book more. Would you read it for me?
Sure.